Another Russian ship is sent to the bottom of the Black Sea by Ukraine. Russian tugboat Vasily Bek was hit by two Western-supplied Harpoon anti-ship missiles, the Ukrainian armed forces said in a statement. The tugboat was transporting supplies to Snake Island, a remote island off the coast of Ukraine occupied by Russia since the first day of its invasion that has become a focal point of the conflict. The vessel was then hit by two Harpoon anti-ship missiles. The Army statement added that the ship transported ammunition, weapons and personnel of the fleet to Snake Island. Ukraine's Armed Forces Strategic Communications Directorate published a video purporting to show two missiles striking the ship recorded from air by Turkish Bayraktar TB2 drone. With this hit, the Vasily Bek would be at least the 14th Russian vessel damaged or destroyed since Moscow launched its full-scale invasion of Ukraine in late February. These include Russia's Black Sea Fleet flagship the Moskva, which sank in April after Ukraine struck the ship. Moscow denies the Moskva was struck by enemy fire and says it sank due to an accidental fire on board. Having captured the bulk of Ukraine's naval fleet following the 2014 annexation of Crimea, Russia has used its dominance in the Black Sea throughout its invasion of Ukraine to transport supplies and support ground offensives. Snake Island became a widespread symbol of Ukrainian resistance early in the war following a viral radio exchange in which Ukrainian soldiers told a Russian warship to go F yourself when it ordered them to surrender. The destruction of Russian ships in the Black Sea by Ukraine is another proof of the low readiness of the Russian Federation to perform complex military operations. Even NATO officials are very surprised by the poor performance of the Russian armed forces in Ukraine, and they are saying that they have been deceived by Russian operations in Syria and previous interventions in Ukraine, which were clearly not a real test for the Russian military. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.